My dear students, hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion.
Today we will discuss about chapter 2 section 4 from second paper, and the name of the chapter is poultry rearing and the name of the section is cock and hen rearing system. Now the learning outcome. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know about classification of chicken rearing with its advantages and disadvantages, site selection and feed of chicken rearing, and different disease management of hen. And from all this topic, board coming and other important knowledge based, comprehensive based and multiple choice questions and answers. The classification: mainly chicken can be reared with three systems. One is free range system, then semi intensive system and intensive system. Free range system: you can see a image of free range system. Here you can see that the chickens can move easily anywhere in this place. You can see that it is the most common and popular traditional method, and in maximum case of our rural area this system is followed. In this system, the chicken goes out from their house very early in the morning and move freely beside their house. They come back home just after the sunset. This system has some advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are mainly additional food requirement is lower and disease prevention power is higher. No disturbance of chicken rearing and it is a easy method. Mainly labor cost is low, additional care is not needed. The chicken can adapt to the local environment. And the disadvantages are there is a risk of getting stolen of the chicken, and this cannot rear more number of chicken. Environment can be polluted and don't get balanced food as they normally take scattered food, create disturbance for the neighbors, and only domestic breed can be reared and laid eggs can be collected easily and less number of eggs. Now semi-intensive method. You can see an image of semi-intensive method. Mainly in this system, chickens are reared within a net boundary but without shed, and you can see this in this image. Their house will be within this net boundary. Here chickens can move freely within this boundary. A boundary of 1.5 meters should be made in front of their house. This is called run. And the advantages of semi-intensive system or method is less possibility of stolen, large number of chicken can be reared, other animal cannot make hazards, exotic and hybrid both variety can be reared, balanced food can be fed, chickens can be kept within control, they can quickly take shelter in their house during rain. And the disadvantages are mainly more space is required, more labor is required, more cost is required, additional care is needed. These types of chicken cannot adapt with all in kinds of environment. Sometimes reptile types animal like snake can attack. Now intensive method. Mainly intensive method is the most commercial method. Chicken rearing in a house or cage having litter on the floor composed of straw, dust or rice husk is usually known as intensive method. It is mainly suitable for commercial farming. Mainly in this method, chickens are given artificial heat, light and air. Mainly in intensive method or in this system, chickens can be reared in two ways, that is rearing in cage or rearing in floor. The advantages of intensive system: more chicken can be reared in less place. Chickens can be kept under control and no chances of stolen, and easy to collect egg. And the main disadvantages are, if the disease attacked, then it spreads very quickly and need more labor, it is more costly, need artificial heat, light and air. Disease management of hen. The main diseases or most common diseases which attack hen are: first one is Newcastle disease, and the causal organism is virus. Then bird flu, and its also causal organism virus. Gambro, its causal organism is also virus. Mars, causal organism is virus. Smallpox, causal organism is virus. Psoriasis, this causal organism is protozoa, mainly Tenillia parasite protozoa. And for cholera, the causal organism is bacteria. Newcastle disease, local named Ranikhet. It is the most common disease of chicken. This disease was first indicated in the city Newcastle of England. That's why its name is Newcastle disease. And later it was found in Ranikhet named place in India. And later it was named in Ranikhet. And in our country, we are locally familiar in this disease is Ranikhet. Here you can see an image of a chicken which is attacked with Ranikhet. And the common symptoms of Ranikhet disease is affected birds and chicks doze in the corner of the house, and their excreta like white lime. They have breathing problem. The hen try to take breath by opening their mouth. The neck became curved and feel giddy, and the neck became curved. You can see this in this image. BCRDV. This is a very important knowledge based and MCQ question, that is, what is BCRDV or the full form of BCRDV? The full form of BCRDV is Baby Chick Ranikhet Disease Vaccine. And here you can see one baby chick who is vaccinated, and the vaccine is BCRDV. Mainly for the prevention of Ranikhet disease or Newcastle disease are separating healthy hen from chick hen, to bird the dead hen and ensure organic safety. And a drop of BCRDV should be given to the hen of 21 days age, and RDV 1 cc injection should be given to the hen of 2 months. Bird flu disease. The disease was first indicated in Bangladesh in 2007, and after that year, every year, lots of things are dying. So this is much warning. This disease was first indicated in Hong Kong at the year 1968, and this too is very important MCQ question or knowledge based question, that is, when bird flu was first indicated in Bangladesh, or where bird flu was first indicated and when. In this image you can see a symptom of bird flu disease, that is, eyes become swollen and continuous water drops from eyes. This is one of the main symptoms, and the hen die before showing any symptom, that is, the hen can die before showing any symptom. The affected hen looks weak and their excreta became liquid like water. Breathing problem can be seen and they take frequent breathing. Their featherless part of the leg may turn into reddish. This is the main symptoms of bird flu disease. And to prevent bird flu disease, 1 cc injection should be given to the hen of any age in the skin, and a drop of vaccine of bird flu should be given in eyes of the hen is 1 day. And when bird flu disease was found, separate healthy hen from sick hen. This is very important or mandatory, and then the sick hen must bury and the dead hen or sick hen. Ensure organic safety to stop the entrance of germ, and after attacking this disease there is no treatment and prevention. That's why healthy hen or healthy chicken should be separating from the sick hen or chicken. Gumboro disease. The disease was first indicated in Gumboro city of USA in the year 1962, and in our country the disease was first indicated in 1992. So first indicated in 1962 and first indicated in Bangladesh in 1992. Symptoms. In this image you can see some symptoms of Gumboro disease. That is, their excreta spreads too much bad smell and they avoid food. Shivering is seen in the body. Affected hen lies in the ground. Blood and slippery materials come out from the excreta. They die because of water storage. And when the chicken are attacked by Gumboro disease, some prevention should be taken, that is separating healthy hen from the sick hen because it is a viral disease, and then to bury the dead hen. Ensure organic safety to stop the entrance of germ, and after attacking there is no treatment and prevention because this is a viral disease, so this measurement should be done. Some forthcoming multiple choice questions from this topic, that is, in which country Gumboro disease was first indicated, and it came in Albert 2019. The options are Russia, America, India, Bangladesh. We already knew that the Gumboro disease was first indicated in the city of USA in the year 1962. That's why the answer will be the B, America. Then viral chicken diseases are, this question came in 2017 on all board, and the options are Ranikhet, coccidiosis, bird flu. You already know that Ranikhet is a viral disease and bird flu is a viral disease, but coccidiosis is not a viral disease. So the answer will be 1 and 3. In this slide you can see a STEM based board multiple choice question. That is, the STEM is, one day in January Riku noticed his poultry farm that dribbling from mouth was found from some chicken and excretion as like as white lime, and it came in 2018 on all board. First question is, which disease was found in Rinku's farm? And the options are Ranikhet, coccidiosis, fall cholera and bird flu. From the stem you found that dribbling from mouth was found and excretion as like as white lime. This is the symptoms of Ranikhet disease. So the answer will be the Ranikhet disease. Then the question is, the steps taken by Rinku to prevent the following disease. So we identified that the disease was Ranikhet, and here the options are: give preventive timely to the hen to spray germicide in the farm and feed probamycin capsule. Here the answer will be 1 and 2, that is, give preventive timely to the hen and to spray germicide in the farm. Here you can see some important knowledge based question or MCQ question, that is how many eggs give a local chicken per year. The answer will be 40 to 50, and if it is developed chicken breed, then the answer will be 250 to 300. And which is the most common traditional method? You know that it is open rearing method, because open rearing method is the most common popular traditional method. Which method is used for broiler production? The answer will be litter method. And what is biological litter? Mainly what is used for biological litter, that is wood powder, husk, paddy or wheat straw, dry grass, sugarcane, etc. And what is used for inorganic litter? That is ash or sand. What is BCR-DV or RDV? This is very important knowledge based question, that is BCR-DV is the vaccine of Ranikhet disease. In which disease vaccine should be done in 1 day old age chicken? The answer will be Ranikhet disease. In which disease infected chicken excrete white lime? The answer is Ranikhet disease. What happens when the chicken eat carbohydrate type food? Mainly carbohydrate type food increase egg production and physical growth. That's why the answer will be egg production and physical growth. In which disease the neck is curved and the head is rotating? This is Ranikhet disease, and it is a common symptom of Ranikhet disease. In which year bird flu was first diagnosed in Bangladesh? The answer is 2007. And from 2007, lakhs of chicken die for this disease. In which country and year bird flu disease was first detected? The answer is 1968 in Hong Kong. In case of which disease suddenly the chicken died before showing any symptom or before any symptoms are revealed? The answer is bird flu. Here some another important knowledge based question, that is in which disease head and neck became dark red or blue color? It is bird flu. Where or when the Gumboro disease was first identified? In the city of Gumboro in 1962. In which year the Gumboro disease was first identified in Bangladesh? In 1992. So these are the very important knowledge based question. And in which disease water falls through the eyes? The answer is bird flu, and this is a important symptoms of bird flu disease or common symptom. Here some comprehensive based question. First question is explain to viral disease of chicken which is known to you, and it came in 2019 on Chittagong board, Rajshahi board, Jashore board, Kumilla board. So first you should mention two viral disease, that is Ranikhet or Gumboro or bird flu. You can write any of these two diseases. Then the symptom of these two diseases, like the main symptom of Ranikhet disease or the main symptom of Gumboro disease. So if you write two viral disease, one is Ranikhet and another one is Gumboro, then you should write first its causal organism and then you should write the symptoms. The second question is explain the symptoms of Ranikhet disease. It may be explain the symptoms of Gumboro disease, or explain the symptom of bird flu disease, or explain the symptom of coccidiosis disease. So here you should write first the causal organism and secondly the symptom. That is the main symptom of Ranikhet disease are affected birds and chicks does in the corner of the house. The excreta like white lime. They have breathing problem. The hen try to take breath by opening their mouth. Their neck became curved and feel giddy. This is a important system, so you should must write this. The last question is why bird flu disease occur in chicken? Why? The bird flu disease is a viral disease, so its causal organism is virus, and mainly subtype of strain is H5 and H7. This is the main causal organism of bird flu disease. Then you can write some symptoms of this disease, but you should write the reason, mainly causal organism totally. Here you can see some another important comprehensive based question, that is explain free range system or explain semi intensive system or explain intensive system. These three systems are the rearing method of chicken. So if explain free range system came, then you should write the total system procedure. That is, in maximum case of our rural area, free range system is very common and popular traditional method. It is very easy to rear. In this system, the chicken goes out from their house very early in the morning and move freely inside house. And you can also write some advantages or disadvantages. Then explain litter or deep litter procedure. Mainly, litter and deep litter procedure is the type of poultry rearing in the floor. That is, it is the subtype of intensive system. What is litter procedure? Mainly, bed or birds and animals are called litter. So wood, dust, rice husk, wooden leg, dry grass, etc. can be used for litter, and it is used in the floor, and its total system is called litter. Mainly, litter absorb excreta. The main meaning of litter is natural, organic or inorganic layer. In normally litter, those material remains 5 to 7 centimeter wide. And what is deep layer? Deep layer is a system or procedure of poultry rearing in the floor of sub-procedure of intensive system. In this system or in deep layer procedure system, litter is made by having weight of 15 to 23 centimeter. For rearing layer chicken, this method is applicable. Weekly, this litter is to be filled flocked. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. If you have any queries, any question, ask your subject teacher. They must help you. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.